Nandito na naman kami guys. Pero hapon na ngayon. So maganda na yung weather. May live ba na sila doon. Tapos yung mga game naka-on na siya. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's take a look. Ayan siya guys, oh. Mamaya mas maganda diyan kapag ano na. Kapag gabi. Puno yung tao guys. Maraming tao. May mga live band. I like it there, huh? Our church. Church.
Church bar.
How are you? It's your first time. October. You can't read the October.
Banyo mo naman.
Oh, yeah.
$30 mo.
Huwag kang ganyan. Nakaka-turn off yung date sa'yo. Nati-turn off date sa'yo.
Probably getting divorced. Yep. Master.
Pangalan na to. Tapos.
This is a pound. $15. Half a pound is $10, so I just got that 1 pound.
It's good. Ano siya guys? Cheese. Parang piniritong cheese. Ito siya guys, itsura.
Kind of cool.
Ito yung sausawan niya. Reklamador. Kain tayo guys.
Ready?
Tell you a little story. This young deputy sheriff. He just
Lakad daw
got
kami
fired
ulit.
from the sheriff's department.
You wanna walk while eating?
He was out on patrol. He
Okay.
called the sheriff's office.
Lakad daw
He
kami.
answered. He said,
What is that? What is that?
What? Polar pop. Yeah. Why? Why are you so thirsty, woman?
Just gotta wait, all right? Where's your mama? Where's your dad at?
Where's your dad? She don't
My
know.
mom's at Walmart.
There's some more. There's a lot.
Bye!
Where's your meat?
Pamangkin yun ni Jun, guys. Doon sa friend niya. Bakit na naman tayo? Dumadami na yung mga tao, guys. Start getting crowded. Yeah. I wanna buy a vegetable, fried vegetable. Please.
Give me a to go now and they go home. Yeah.
You're off tonight, aren't you? You're off tonight, aren't you? I fucked up last night. How'd it go? It's nice seeing you guys.
Oh, how about this one? You wanna sit down? Oh, Brent.
Getting food again? You gonna get it right? What you doing again? We're already busy.
We're eating again.
Yeah, but I get hooked. What are you doing?
Yeah? Yes. What's up? Get some. What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you play out over there already? You ride a ride? Yeah, you have fun?
He did that.
You didn't know?
We just got here.
Yeah. Ah! There you go. Ice cream sounds good right now because it's hot.
You actually say bye.
Bye bye, baby. See ya. Anyway. You okay? You okay? Anyway guys, ito yung ano. Oh, it looks a lot this time. I only ordered the...
You get your sauce?
Yeah, they gave me the ranch. This is one of my favorite, guys. Onion rings.
Check for them.
Get enough to share? Oh, yeah, right there. I got it. Yeah, I got a third one. I need
Pretty good stuff.
I know, I like that food. Patty doesn't like it, but I like it. Where'd you get it from?
Up there.
Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Nakagastos na naman tayo. Pero sabi ni June, isang beses lang daw sa isang tao. It's getting dark also. Yung ano, punta tayo ngayon guys sa ano, sa mga games. What do you call that, huh? Game. All the rides. Ayan. Manood tayo ng mga rides.
It's $1 for a can.
I told you. But they have ice though. So.
Look at the rice.
What is that? Oh, the rice. They don't have bracelet anymore.
They do, but sold out.
Oh. Yan, nakauna guys yung mga rides. Punta tayo kahit wala tayong anak. Makikichismis lang tayo. guys, perya. Namimiss ko yung perya, yung benching ko. Wala nun dito guys. Ganito lang yung meron sa kanila.
Prizes when you win quick prizes. Bring one bottle one time, you're going to go home with anything you see, anything you don't like. You're going to go home with your first prize the first time you bring one bottle. Any bottle wins your vote. Any bottle wins choice. Any bottle wins choice. Everybody's going home with a choice prize and here's the bottle.
Sabi ni June, para daw Pilipinas.
Wala yung mga puti.
Ang namimiss ko guys sa Pilipinas, yung perya. Yan. Walang ganun dito guys eh. Kid friendly lang talaga siya. Oh, Sabrina's here. Sabrina! Oh, Sabrina's here!
Where's your sister at? They're not here.
Running around somewhere.
Yep, that's how it works. See ya, baby. Oh, this is so big. Hold on. Nice. Wait. Oh my God.
And round three. Anybody count three?
Nagano si June guys, nagbanyo. Ito pala yung toilet sa amin dito. Portable potty bathroom. So hinihintay ko lang siya habang No. Oh. Ayan guys, oh yung ano dito. Portable CR. Meron pa rin silang hugasan. Gray and blue.
What kind of bun?
Okay. So how was it, honey?
That's clean.
Is it clean? Okay. Sabi ko sa kanya, malinis ba yung ano doon, yung CR sa loob? Kasi pag ganyan guys, wala yung flush. Ano yan, naiipon yan sa ilalim, di ba? Kasi kung minsan, pag naipon na ng naipon, syempre mabaho. Pero kasi, first day ngayon, kaya hindi siya madumi pa. Malinis pa siya. Siguro bukas, medyo smell weird na. Kasi nagamit na ng maraming tao. But anyway, lakad-lakad tayo guys kasi nabusog. Kinain ko yung fried vegetables. Tapos yung fried na cheese. Puro fried. Kaya yung tiyan ko parang kumukurok-kurok. Anyway, this is one of my favorite guys. Yung live band. Nagre-ready pa sila. Ito ang itsura nila guys. Ayan. Wala pang magandang yung talagang magandang live band. Simple pa lang guys. Mga old folks. Ayan. Ayan, masaya na sila guys. Ganito lang buhay dito. Ganito lang guys ang lifestyle dito. Simple lang, masaya ni mga tao. Simple lang pamumuhay. Ito guys, tignan nyo yung mga nanonood.
This is a one-man piano. So who's playing after this?
I'm trying to use my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 low light. Kung napapansin mo, medyo nag-change yung background niya kasi I set up for low light. Kasi madilim na guys. What time is it, hon? What time is it? It's 7:35 here. Oh, dumidilim na ngayon. Marami ng taong naglalakad. Tsura niya sa low light.
That's still good.
Na unset up.
Yeah, that's good. I got $5.
Is that your budget for today?
Looks like it.
Yeah. Oh no, that's a long line. Ice cream guys, tingnan niyo yung line. Na-traffic na naman si June, guys.
Yeah, you go ahead.
Si June, guys, para yung ano dito, parang tatakbo ng pagka-mayor. Kasi every time maglalakad kami, ang dami niyang kakilala. Kasi dito na siya lumaki. Asan na? Nandun pa rin, may kakwentuhan. Anyway, sabi niya, meron daw ditong German band. So, tingnan natin kung anong meron naman dito. Ang daming band today, guys. May band doon. May band doon sa isa. Ito may band na naman. So pang ilang band na to? Asa na si June? Wala pa si June, traffic pa rin. Oh, guys. Look at this one. Sabi Bobby, looks yummy. Looks yummy. Yeah.
What's a German food?
Dumating na si June. Yung ice cream niya, ubos na. Anyway, yung kanina guys, ano yon? Ano sabi? Sabi Bobby. Sabi Bobby, yung pangalan ng ano nila, booth. But anyway, dito tayo dati. Sabi niya, no, ni June, may live band. Ito yung banda. Pero wala pa. Maganda yung weather, guys. Masarap magtambay, maglakad. Ganito lang ang buhay dito, guys. Tahimik lang. Guys, tignan nyo to, tractor. Daddy, can we ride? Can we ride? Huh? Oh.
I think the house is first.
I know, but they're gonna take you back here? Yeah. Well, it's gone now. It's full. Sabi ko, sakay sana kami para ma-experience ko, pero bilis guys, naubos. Bilis na napuno.
Right there where the sign says fresh.
Ayan na. Aalis na sila. Ang bilis, malis na. Mamaya, kapag dumating yon at merong available, itry natin ma-experience. Anyway, ito namang area na to guys. Ayan yung mga area na yan. Ayan yung mga tao. Ayan yung mga tao. people go there and then they drink. Itong nandito sa likod ko, ang tawag nila dyan, beer garden. Beer kasi pumupunta doon yung mga age 21 and up. Kasi bilihan nyo ng alcohol, doon sila tatambay, iinom sila, ganun. Kung nakikita nyo, meron siyang cyclone fence kasi bawal ang mga bata.
Hot over there by the
Magpahinga muna kami ni Jun, guys. Napagod na kalalakan. Mamaya, baka punta kami uli dun sa ano. Mamaya, we might go to the live band again. We might go there again.
Oh, yeah, I love you so much.
We're done for today, guys. Ang sarap maglakad, guys, kasi ano, maganda yung weather, hindi malamig, hindi mainit. Perfect lang siya. Yung ganitong mga style, guys, ito yung mga nami-miss ko sa Pilipinas, yung month of Burr. Syempre taga-Olonga po tayo, di ba? Gusto ko lang masubukan yung Mardi Gras. Maybe someday we will try to experience that again. But anyway, that's all for now, guys. Time to go home. No more spending money. I mean, you don't have to spend money. Pwede naman lakad-lakad lang. Pero kung minsan di maiwasan, ang sarap kasi ng mga pagkain. So, bukas uli, guys.